Welcome back to Street Car Chronicles, where today we're going to address door fitment issues. If you've owned a square body, ridden in a square body, had a friend that had a square body, had a friend's dad whose dad's brother's cousins had a square body, or have watched anything on the internet, you probably already know this by now. Square bodies are great, except for when it comes to the door latches. A lot of people just do what I do, slam the door harder to get it to shut. Or the old trick of wrap tape around that bad boy until the latch catches. You can see where the latch has been hitting. And I may need to make an adjustment on that latch or on that striker. But I don't think so, because you can see our body lines are pretty good. So I stopped by the hardware store and picked up a whole big old stick, because this is as much as little as I could get of PEX tube. Now, I'm assuming you use this for like water lines and things of that nature. I don't know, I'm not a house guy, but it's PEX tube. So now I need to find an apparatus of some sort to cut it with. Let's see. Nope. 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 I don't know. Obviously, you need to measure it. Yep, right about. Right about there. Crap, my measurements were just a hair off. Who would have thought? Oh. So close. Oh, I think that might work. All right, slip the PEX tube around there. That's pretty nice. I didn't adjust the striker or anything. Door shuts nice and tight. I'm gonna do it to the other side. Let's check it out. Driver's side always has more wear. This door actually opens and shuts pretty easily. I feel like this door is a little bit out of adjustment. And you can tell it is sagging just a hair, but that could be because the hinges are a little worn out. Let's see, yep. So this side probably won't be as good, but we'll make it work. I'll get some hinge pins. Dang it. I can't do this with just one hand, so basically you spread this apart and slide it around there. The old striker, bada bing, bada boom. And installed. Yep. Yeah, this side's not gonna be as good, but it's still not bad. I mean, I don't have to put near the force that I am currently. Yeah, it's still just my thumb. Not bad. Hey, for $5 for that giant tube that I can fix 947 different square body doors with, I mean, you cut a little piece and then make it fit yours. I'm happy with that. It's not bad. I mean, I'm gonna go here. Boom. So anyway, if you got a square body and the doors don't shut good, do that. See if that makes it better, because this is a little better. You know, I mean, execution could have been a tad bit better. If you got a square body and you need to tighten up the doors, do what I just did. Not bad. I mean, you still might have to adjust some stuff, but I mean, not bad. Yeah, your hinges might be worn out, and that's probably not gonna help it much, but whatever, try it. You don't have that blue stuff on there, then it's gonna clickety-clackety. Not shut all the time. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button on your way out. Drop a comment down below. Is that how you fix your square body doors shutting problem there? And hit the subscribe button for all these wonderful tips about square bodies and F10s we're gonna be dropping here pretty soon. See you next time.